Hey, good day, folks. This is the S Group Daily Review video number 8. Kind of got in last night kind of late, so I didn't get a chance to record this video. So I guess I'll do two today. So this is a video from yesterday. So yeah, we got our daily earnings here today. Last night it was 0.53%. So I made 53.40 on the Forex investment that I have, all the money that I have in here. So I'm about 530 or so dollars away from 14,000, guys. As you see my progress here, this is my all-time earnings. I've made $9,310.78 since I've been in the system. And yeah, things are rolling along here, guys. Like I said, my contact information is in the description of the video below. My email address, shoot me an email, and we can have a discussion about the S Group company as a whole. This is the Forex investment wing of it. That's what I'm starting out with. Of course, like I mentioned in other videos, guys, there's other sections of the company you can invest your money in. My superior, I guess you'd say, the guy that put me into the S Group system about over a year and a half ago, he informed me that he just invested $15,000 in the S Pharmaceutical, which is the medical cannabis, and he said in about 2.5 to 3 years that $15,000 investment is going to be worth $100,000, guys. That's what he was told by his higher ups. So higher ups in the company, and so yeah, he's excited about that. He has money invested in all these 4 different areas. He started off with Forex like myself. I'm probably going to get into the S Pharmaceutical and the IPO stocks and their own token system. Probably sometime, maybe a year from now, I would say, once I get get my account high up enough, and I can take some of the money I make with Forex and throw it in here, which is what he's doing. So, to let you guys know, when I started out with about $300 at this level, the lower tiered system, and so I was making 50% of whatever the daily earning trade was, and they were getting 50% of the earning, and then I eventually, I worked my way up the ranks, guys. Like in 4 months, I put in $4,000 in this system because that's how much I believe in it. Everyone else that is in this system as well, they can't say enough about how great S Group is as a company, how stable it is, guys. It's been around for over 4 years now, and it's growing. It's getting stronger and bigger. So I worked my way all the way up in 4 months from this level here, guys. I went to this level once I got to $500. Got to this level when I got to $1,500, and then I stopped here at 5,000. So by the time I got to 5,000, guys, I already made 1,000 in the system. That was over a 6-month period. And that was from October 2020 to April last year, 2021. So from this level, guys, I just been letting it ride for now 13 months now. Actually, yeah, 13 months because it's May. And so I've gotten from $5,000 of April 2021 to now, well, I'm at $13,329.58 plus my monthly earnings so far. This is just 3 days, guys. I've made this in 3 days, $158.50 American in 3 days. I'm up in Canada, so this is actually more because the American currency is worth more than ours. So this is actually more money up here in Canada. Might be around $200 or so Canadian. So in 3 days, guys, just for leaving the money invested in the Forex investment. So yeah, you guys can be a part of this. You guys can join my team. The link is in the description down below. Once you click on that link, there's a sign up form. You sign up. You can shoot me an email. My email's right in the description below as well, and all the other pieces of information. And I'd love to have you on my team, guys. I can walk you through everything step by step, and also send you the projection calculator as well, so you can see how much you're going to make in 6 months, a year, 2 years, 3 years. It's very exciting stuff, guys. So my goal, of course, is to get all the way up. Now I'm at this level, and my next goal, of course, is going to be this level, which I should hit around Christmas time, New Year's of 2023. So that includes this daily review video for the S Group Forex investment And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you.